Hello, Jule, namaste. Just like the old days, here I am collecting thangchu. Thangchu, which is called tree sap in English. Remember how excited we used to get finding this red, delicious treasure? Still tastes as good as I remember. This takes me right back to those carefree afternoons we spent together. My little brother is just as
I love.
adventurous as we used to be. Here
हाँ
he
छोटा
is
सा लाना
up
बहुत अच्छा
in
होता
the
है टेस्टी.
tree, but all he is finding are the small ones.
वाओ इतना
Just
हौश है
like we
अभी
used to do, I am
हमारा
keeping them
थैंक
on my hand. So many memories coming back.